Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download CapCut free into your Windows operating system. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. So first we will go to our Google Chrome browser and here we will going to search for CapCut. Here CapCut for PC, click on that. And after that, you will get a website called www.capcut.com. So if you now click on that, you will come over this CapCut website over here. So if you now click on this download for free, here you can see downloading is showing. So you can see over here that CapCut folder is downloaded. And now if we click on this folder icon, you will get the CapCut installer. So click on that 2 times. Click yes for the permission. And then if you want to change the location, you can. So I will going to change the location. Click on this folder icon and I will going to place it into documents and then click. I'm going to paste it into Powerhouse and then click OK. And I will change the location, and now you need to wait for the download completed. So here you can see the download is completed and now CapCut is open into our Windows operating system. So this is how you can download and install CapCut into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.